Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today's on VeChain News we have from AMB Crypto. It says the Binance US, the American subsidiary of Binance, announced on 19th October that it is introducing wet staking. This new feature will allow customers to earn 1% an APY in VTHO with no lockup periods. There is another proof of authority upgrade that is ongoing, which will see the VChain gain finality and bring an end to the trade-off that is choosing between scalability with high through output or instant finality. Another is there is VChain's partnership with the Draper University, which entailed a fellowship with a Web3 accelerator program. Another is PricewaterhouseCoopers (PW) estimated that blockchain technologies could boost the global GDP by 2 trillion through improved tracing and tracking. Global market intelligence firm IDC released a report last year according to which 10% of the supply chain transactions in the Chinese market will use blockchain by 2025, which means in the next 2 or 3 years this could work out in favor of VeChain, with its being the leading blockchain firm catering to supply chain solutions and given its significant presence in China. VeChain will implant its proprietary chipsets in luxury products, which will help manufacturers keep track of their inventory and monitor sales in real time on the blockchain. A paper published by Institute of Engineering and Technology outlined blockchain applications for the healthcare industry in clinical data management. The paper went on to cite the example of the Mediterranean Hospital in Cyprus, which leveraged a EHCERT, a data management application based on VeChain Thor. In August, VeChain and Orion One, a global logistic tech firm, announced an integration partnership. The joint ventures aim to combine the VeChain toolchain with Orion's best-in-class logistic platform to offer clients an efficient and effective pathway to leverage blockchain technology in their businesses. Tommy Stephenson, the CEO of Orion One, said, "When it comes to blockchain and supply chain, there is only one game in the town, and that is VeChain. No other entity can compete with their low cost, rapid deployment, and ease of use." In June, VeChain had described block finality as an indispensable property for a modern blockchain system because it provides an absolute security and guarantee for blocks that satisfy certain conditions. Earlier this month, VeChain announced that it had entered into a strategic partnership with True Trace Technologies, a blockchain development company catering to the legal cannabis, food, apparel, and pharmaceutical industries. The partnership aims to integrate complementary technology and offer True Trace clients enhanced traceability by leveraging VeChain's seamless infrastructure. VeChain is arguably the only blockchain in the supply chain vertical that has survived the test of time. Rival tokens like Walton Chain, Wabi, and many others have seen their market capitalization and volume dramatically diminish over the past few months. Many tokens in the past and many more that will come in the future will also have the same fate. But we know that this VeChain has survived to complete bull bear cycles, bull again bear, and then again returning to bull market, which is called a one complete cycle, which is very hard to do, as we all know what happened with Celsius, Voyager 3AC, and numerous other blockchain projects. This happens in every cycle. It will happen in the past, it will happen in the future. So the ongoing Ukraine and Russia conflict have proved to be very good opportunity for VeChain to demonstrate its capabilities as an enterprise facing blockchain solution for logistic and supply chains. This was a short video on VeChain for today. Thank you for listening, and always keep an eye on what's happening in the projects. This is a premium selection solution H&M, which has also partnered with VeChain. It is a collection for women and men. You can see the shirts, trousers, shoes, jackets, everything. And this is PwC. This is Price Water Coop House, ECG Pulse, Sustainability Equation, Empowered, and this is DNV.com. And this will how will the future of technology will discover how you can bring your ESG strategy into life. Thank you as always. Bye.